YouTube family, what's going on? It's another video from me. I'm trying my best to give videos when I can. Sometimes I don't always have the time. You guys know what's going on in my life with work, but I'm trying my best, so bear with me as I try. You guys have been asking for a skincare routine from me for a while. The Jacq's Heal and Slay Kit. I first learned about Jacq's on Instagram, and they sent over their products a month or two ago for me to try. I said, you know, I'll try it. Let's see how it goes. I have been using these products consistently, you guys, to remove my makeup. Mostly every night, these are the products that I use to remove my makeup, tone my face, moisturize my face, and go to bed. So I wanted to share that with you guys because I have been using the products for a while now. I'll show you guys, like, it's almost done. And I honestly, truly love them. It makes my skin look great, it makes my skin feel great, and I just want to show you the process of how I get unready with the Jacq's Heal and Slay Kit. I'm in love with the name, Heal and Slay. That's like so me. Like, it heals your skin, but it helps you slay naturally. What else can you say? What more can you ask for? Jacq is an indie brand. They're an all-natural skincare brand. It is black owned. And you know I work hard for my black owned businesses. You know I work hard. Really hard for my black owned businesses. It is non-GMO, no parabens, no sulfates, it's vegan. It's basically fruit, healthy, natural ingredients for your skin that she just mixed together into a whole system. So I have the Heal and Slay kits. There are also face masks, different things on the website, so not just this kit if you're interested. But my life has been changed. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, my life has been changed since using this system. I love it. It just takes the guesswork out of doing your makeup because it comes with the 3-step system. It tells you what to do with each step, so you can't really go wrong, right? You can't. Because y'all know, I told you this already. I don't know much about skincare. Be honest with you guys, I'm not the skincare expert. So if you came here for real detailed skincare expert advice, you got the wrong place. I just do what I do and my skin likes it and I stick with it. So if my skin says yes, I go with it. And my skin says yes to this system. So I'm sticking with it. I'm sure somebody in the comment section or somebody, maybe the owner herself, can explain to you, like, you know, the makeup of what each ingredient consists of, why it's beneficial for your skin and stuff. I can't explain it to you, right? I can't. I just know it works for my skin, so we're gonna stick with it. So that's what this video is about. I'm gonna show you guys the 3-step process. So as you can see, I have a ton of makeup on the face. I just did this look. It's a look. It's pretty, it turned up really nice. And we're gonna take it all off now. Wait, you guys, look what I found. This is the card that came with the product. So it explains to you the benefits of each product that I'm gonna put on my face. So like I said, I don't know much, but we're gonna use this card to explain why these products are so beneficial. And like I said, I don't know much about skincare, but I just know that my skin loves it and I actually love it. So let's get started. First thing is first, I pop up freaks off the honey. Okay, put the hair back first of all. All right, hair is out the way. Ooh, skin is looking good. Makeup is on point. Highlight is popping. Eyeshadow is a look. Lashes are on. Lips are nude but cute. Y'all feeling it? Y'all feeling it, right? First thing to go, the lashes, you know. True story. My son saw me taking off my lashes one day. Oh my gosh. The boy cried. He was terrified for life. He was scarred for life. He was like, Mommy, what are you doing to your eyes? Mommy, what are you doing to your eyes, Mommy, stop listening to your eyes. I thought it was funny. Anyway, moving on, but it was so funny. Next, after I remove the lashes, I just use a basic wipe and just remove the basic of the makeup. Just go in there, just take it off. The basic of the makeup is off. You think your skin is clean, but it really isn't. Now we gotta cleanse and get in there. So the first product I'm gonna use is the Healing Face Cleanser with papaya extract and moringa. Where the card at? Oh, and I said I need this card because I can't explain to y'all without the card. I couldn't find the card. As you can see, when I first got it, this is how the bottle looks, nice and full. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm basically up to where? I'm like down here with it now. Yeah, I'm basically like down here with it. That's what I mean. I've had it for a while now and I've been using it. So this is the first step. Let's find out about it. This is step 1. This is the cleanse. So it says specifically formulated not only to gently remove makeup, dirt, and environmental toxins from the skin, but also provide nutrients needed to fight off bacteria and heal itself. This cleanser will help reduce debris buildup, unclog pores, eliminate acne causing bacteria, and make the skin feel supple. Rich in nutrients of vitamins E, C, B, and omega-3 and 6 to heal current breakouts and prevent further ones from popping up. Enjoy soft, clear, and smooth skin. Now, I'll be honest with you guys. I'm filming this video, but it's not really what I really do. What I really do is I do all these steps in the shower, because if y'all know me, and I've mentioned this before, I hate it. I hate washing my face in my sink, in my bathroom. I hate it because the water gets everywhere. I mean, it just makes a mess, and the water gets all over my hands, and it just gets, and I have to clean the sink afterwards. I don't like it. But for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna do it for y'all. Even though I hate it, I'd rather get in the shower at the end of the night, wash my face, and do all the steps that I need. But I'm gonna do it for y'all. My poor sink is a mess. See what I do for y'all? Would somebody want to come over and clean off my sink with all this water? It blows and skirt. So face is clean for the makeup, face is washed and cleansed. Step 2 is the Jacq Revitalizing Face Toner. It has CoQ10 and hibiscus water to balance and restore. This is where it's up to right now, see? Tell y'all, I've been using it. Remove excess dirt, oil, and makeup with a toner. Toners help improve skin texture, balance skin, and tighten pores. After cleansing, moisten a cotton pad with the toner and apply to face. Avoid the immediate eye area. Repeat to ensure excess dirt oils have been completely removed. It says to put it on a cotton pad and then wipe your face. I honestly do it a little bit different. I just take it, spritz my whole face with it, let it sit for a bit, and then I take the cotton around and I wipe my face. I don't know why, I just prefer it that way. So now the skin, if you look up close, is really clean. Really clean. Starting to get the color back in my skin. Really clean. The last step is to moisturize. This is the Jacq Nourishing Face Moisturizer with yucca and coconut to hydrate and smooth. Massage a pea-sized amount into your face using upward and outward strokes. This lightweight moisturizer is buildable, so add more anytime skin needs hydration. Perfect for use under makeup or as a light moisturizer before bed. Let me show you what I'm up to. This is the one that's embarrassing. Not embarrassing, but this shows that I use it. I am basically done. I'm done. So now I gotta like open it and knock it out, because I really want to use the products and test it for you guys, tell you guys how much I love it. And I use this moisturizer a lot. Even sometimes without the kit, if I just need a light moisturizer on my face, I reach for this one. So I think I'm at the point where I can't even pump anymore. But I can still pump, okay? So let's pump some of that. But yeah, look, so you see? I am basically, this is just right there, see? I'm basically done with it. Massage upward motion. Oh, this has such a nice lemongrass scent to it. Love lemongrass. Get the neck. Oh my gosh, I just love the scent. The scent just soothes me so much. Boom, that's it, we're done. Let me put the hair back down so I can look cute. But this is the skin. Skin is looking clean. Skin is good. I'm putting on some chapstick because I feel like my lips are dry. Wait, let me give you the full effect. but the skin is just looking real good, nice and clean. And what I like about this system is it's simple, it's not a complicated, because I do have more complicated things that I do like on the weekends when I'm doing my self-care Sundays where I pamper myself. That I usually show my Instagram profile where it's like a whole face mask and I do, you know, toners and serum, like a whole process. This one is just my everyday, get home from work, simple, 1, 2, 3, boom, 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 go to bed, call it a night, really quick, really easy. And this is how I achieve my flawless skin, so that the foundation, the skin still looks good. My skin feels smooth, my skin feels good, my skin glows. See that? Let me give you an up close glow. See that? A natural glow. Like I said, nothing else on my skin. And you see the glow, you see it right in a second, right? Just the moisturizer. See that glow? I love it, I love it, I love it. If you guys are interested, I'll leave the company's information below. Leave all the links. These are not any affiliate or sponsored links. I just truly have been using these products for not a week, 2 weeks, months. And I've just been loving it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully this Get On Ready With Me helps you guys to understand part of my skincare routine. If you guys have any other skincare questions, I mean, you can leave them in the comment section. I'll try to answer them as best as I can. I'm not the skincare expert, but I'll try. That's all for now, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check Jack's out. I'll leave the link in the description bar. Okay, now let me go clean this sink. A lot of mercy. Let me do that first.